Hello everybody, my name's Jordan from Primary ICT Support. Today I'm going to be making a quick video tutorial showing everybody how to add documents to your pages on your Primary CMS website. To start off, what you'd like to do is just sign into your Primary CMS dashboard. You can do this by heading over to primarycms.com and logging in with the information that you have. Once you're on the dashboard, we'll like to start by making or going to the page that you'd like to add these documents to. For testing purposes, I'm just going to add a new page, and to do this I'm going to use the bottom right add new page section that you can see here. Now that I've added my page, I'm ready to go ahead and click the edit button, which is just this green pencil next to it on the list. Once I'm on the page, I'll be able to see in the bottom right that there is a section called add content. Here we have all of our elements, and for today's video we're going to be using the documents element. To use it, just simply click it. Now that we're here, we'll want to start reading from the top and work our way down all the way down to this green upload button. So we can see that the allowed document file types is pretty much any document to ever exist on any computer. So I wouldn't worry too much about this. If for some reason you have a file that is a document that you are unable to upload, please just look at this and see if the file extension is correct. Once you've checked that and you're ready to start uploading, we're going to want to put in our title. For testing purposes, I'm just going to put policies as if I was adding some policy documents to my website, and then I'll fill in a description down here. Now that I've filled in the content, I'm ready to upload the files. To do this, just click the select files button found down here, and then select the file or multiple files for the documents that you'd like to upload. So as you can see, I've selected 2 test documents and I'm ready to upload this. It's as simple as clicking the green upload button in the bottom right. We can now see that the content is on our page. We have our title, our description, and the 2 documents that we just added to our website. Now if for some reason you wanted to clean this up or change the name of the document that your user can actually see, again, it's really simple. You just click the edit pencil button found at the top right, and then from here you'll now be able to see 2 additional options for editing. We have the order, the file name itself, which we cannot edit, but the name we can edit. Let's say that I just wanted to remove the file extension from the end of this name, so I just type it in over here. And don't forget guys that there is not a save button on this page. You'll need to wait for the box to flash green like this. And now I'm just going to do the same for my test document number 2. Now that I've done that, I'm going to take a look at the order. Let's say for example that I wanted this document to show above this document. I would just simply change the order from 0 and 1 to 1 and 0. Once that they've flashed green and you know that they have saved, feel free to go ahead and refresh the page. And like such, you can see that the order of the documents has now changed. So that's pretty much it for documents. If you have any questions or issues, please make a ticket and our team will be right with you. As always, thanks for watching this tutorial.